What is up, guys? Jeremy here and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can update your unc0ver Jailbreak application to the newest version by using a Siri shortcut. And literally all you have to do is say, "Hey Siri," and tell Siri to update your jailbreak. It's definitely really cool. So let's jump into this. The first thing you guys are going to need is a application called ReProvision from Cydia. So you will need this application. You will have to add a repo in order to get this app. I will leave the repo info down in the description, so be sure to install this. I've already done it. The next thing you guys are going to need is the Siri Shortcuts application if you guys don't have that already. And then you will need the shortcut itself. As you can see, this is the shortcut: install latest version of unc0ver through ReProvision. So I'll leave this shortcut in the description as well. And now once you've done that, you can go ahead and launch ReProvision. You will have to sign into this application with your Apple ID, and if you have the two-factor authentication set up, you will have to do that as well. And then once you get signed into the app, as you can see, I actually tested this out beforehand, and it allowed me to re-sign my unc0ver jailbreak application directly from this. So if you guys have other third-party applications that normally get revoked, you can actually use this app to re-sign it yourself, and you never have to worry about re-downloading it again. So definitely a really cool trick. So now once you have ReProvision set up and you're logged in, you can go into Siri Shortcuts, and here's the shortcut right here. And I actually did make an edit to this shortcut. If we click on these little toggles here, it allows you to change some settings. And as you can see, I set up the Siri phrase, "update my jailbreak." So let's go ahead and let's test this shortcut out and let's see if it works. "Hey Siri, update my jailbreak."
Running your shortcut. That's done.
Alright, it is running the shortcut now. We jumped into ReProvision. As you can see, it is asking us to install it. So literally the only button press you need during this process is right now. We can just click on install. As you can see, it is downloading the newest version of unc0ver. And we're done. As you can see, it has a little prompt there, or notification saying signed the unc0ver jailbreak. So now we can exit out of ReProvision, and the unc0ver jailbreak is updated. The only other thing you guys are going to need to do before you can open up unc0ver is trust it. So the way you guys are going to do that is go into General, go to Profiles and Device Management, and then go into your developer account there and trust the unc0ver app. As you guys seen, I already did that, so we can go ahead and launch unc0ver, and it is the latest version, which is beta 43. Now, if you guys are curious whether your unc0ver jailbreak is out of date or not, all you gotta do is click on check for update within unc0ver, and it will give you a pop-up here letting you know if it is the up-to-date version or not. And as you can see, mine is already up to date. So that is pretty much all you got to do, guys. Like I said, you need ReProvision, you need Siri shortcuts, and then the specific Siri shortcut itself, and that's all you got to do. A little bit of setup, but once you have set it up, you can update your unc0ver jailbreak incredibly easy and quickly. You don't have to go into Tweakbox or Ignition. You don't have to delete it and then reinstall it. It just makes it a lot more simple and a lot easier to update the jailbreak. So really cool trick. But anyways, like I said, everything you guys are going to need is down in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.